Welcome to another day of doing stuff to the RSX. We're gonna wrap the hood. I actually fixed here. My daughter touched it and I wiped it, but I don't think you'll see it under the wrap. Basically, I'm gonna wrap it because it looks and I was gonna paint it, but I decided against that because I was gonna wrap the car anyways. So I fixed a little bit of body work on it and we're gonna wrap it. So pretty much we're just gonna jump right into it. I got the wrap back there. The garage is a disaster. I need to clean it up after this. If you are wondering to know more about the RX-8 back there, the next video that I post will have more stuff done on the RX-8, and just keep in tune for that one. But let's get this freaking hood wrapped. I gotta take off these wiper things real quick, but I already wiped it down, washed it. We're pretty much ready to go. So let's get at this. Peace. All right, how about that? Now that's my second time wrapping anything. I actually, I'll show you right over here. My first time I tried wrapping these suckers right here. Did a wrap. My very first time do have defects in it, and it's really dirty. We need to wash this thing. But these taillights were extremely hard. There is bubbling here because the chrome like moves, and I popped a hole. I think this was my first one. It's really not. So I should cut them out really. But that was pretty cool. The hood was hard but easier because it was a bigger surface, a lot of flat areas, but it was also hard because it was a bigger piece of vinyl. I did need help to lay it down, so thanks to Regina, my nice lovely wife, she helped me lay it and we got it on. And let's check it out. Here we go. So here's, now remember the hood is not perfect underneath, and it's gonna show blemishes. Like, I had no idea this sucker was right here, but hey, for a practice, $30 practice trial, I can't really complain, can you? Looks a hell of a lot better, I say that. But hey, this is Redline Ryan. I'm checking out. On to the next video, our next project. RX-8 will be the next one coming up, so if you're into the RX-8 stuff, stay tuned. Love you guys. Peace.